From cave paintings in the past to digital masterpieces, graphic design has come a long way to the future. Let's take a whirlwind tour through its evolution. I will show you the evolution of graphic design in a quick timeline and in a simplified way. The oldest known cave painting was found in Indonesia and dates back more than 3,000 years. What do you think of the writings of the Egyptian civilization, which is considered one of the oldest civilizations in the world? I certainly couldn't miss one of China's greatest inventions in the world, which is writing paper. And Gutenberg's printing press, which is also one of the greatest inventions in the world. The Art of Nouveau movement inspired the new generation to give more to their works. Walter Gropius is one of the greatest artists. He has works called Bauhaus and Modernism. Let me show you some of them. In addition to all these things that caused the development of graphic design over the ages, Swiss style emerges caused many changes in architectural design around the world. In the world of technology, Apple introduced the Apple Macintosh, which revolutionized the world of technology. The rise of the internet and web design. It has solved many problems of communication and obtaining information. Here we come to the greatest invention of the current century and one of the most used in the world, which helps billions of people throughout the day. And finally today, we have AI-assisted design and more, which is a current technological revolution and is the future with the dangers that humans face from the possibility of its control over our planet.